Introducing the groundbreaking Apple Smart Home, HomeKit, a game changer that will revolutionize the way we interact with our living spaces. With HomeKit at your fingertips, the power to manage your home is now in the palm of your hand. Just imagine effortlessly illuminating your abode, adjusting the ambience, and safeguarding your domain with a mere tap on your smartphone. This in-depth video examines the many facets of Apple HomeKit, including its capabilities, advantages, and influence on automating and improving the usability of houses. Gone are the days of scattered controls and complicated interfaces. HomeKit seamlessly connects and orchestrates a multitude of smart devices throughout your dwelling, ensuring a unified and intuitive user experience. Whether you're relaxing at home or venturing afar, rest assured that your sanctuary remains fortified and under your vigilant command. HomeKit empowers you to remotely monitor and govern your home security systems, ensuring peace of mind no matter where you roam. Prepare to immerse yourself in the future of intelligent living with the Apple Smart Home Kit. This innovative solution brings unparalleled convenience, control, and connectivity, allowing you to unlock a new realm of possibilities within the walls of your beloved abode. Apple HomeKit is a software framework and communication protocol developed by Apple Incorporated that enables users to configure, communicate with, and manage smart home equipment using Apple devices. It was first demonstrated at the Worldwide Developers Conference in 2014 and made available to the public in September 2014. Along with iOS 8, Zigbee Lite Link is a low-power mesh networking technology ideal for home automation applications. HomeKit is constructed on top of ZLL. Apple HomeKit functions as a centralized platform that enables customers to engage naturally with the many smart home devices that they have installed in their homes. The Home app, which is compatible with iOS, iPadOS, Mac OS, and TV OS, offers a simple user experience for controlling and managing HomeKit-enabled devices. This app provides consumers with a centralized spot to monitor and control all of their HomeKit devices, which enables users to construct bespoke automation tailored to their individual requirements. The fact that the Apple HomeKit places such a focus on safety is among its most notable advantages. Encryption is used for all forms of communication between HomeKit devices and the Home app, ensuring that the important information and commands are kept safe and out of the public eye at all times. Incorporating a one-of-a-kind HomeKit code for each item provides an additional degree of security, thereby obstructing any attempts at unlawful entry into the smart home system. Apple HomeKit places a premium on safety and security as one of its top priorities. The technology protects the communication between HomeKit devices and the Home app by utilizing sophisticated encryption mechanisms. Because of this focus on security, users' personal information is shielded from prying eyes, and their home automation systems are shielded from any potential flaws or intrusions. The Home app provides a nice and intuitive user interface that makes it easier to manage and control HomeKit devices. It is possible for users to view and operate all of their HomeKit devices from a single spot, which simplifies and improves the user experience overall. Managing a smart home is made easier and more accessible to a great number of people when it features user-friendly controls and navigation uncomplicated. Apple HomeKit supports many devices, ensuring its interoperability with a wide variety of home automation configurations. HomeKit provides customers with an access to a wide variety of supported devices from industry-leading brands, whether those users currently possess compatible gadgets or are looking to grow the smart home ecosystem in their houses. Because of this compatibility, customers can select gadgets that can integrate easily with their current configuration, which improves the smart home's overall functionality. HomeKit is a platform that is future-proof because it is based on Zigbee Lite Link protocol. The ZLL protocol is a low-power mesh networking technology specifically created for home automation systems. By utilizing this protocol, HomeKit will be able to support additional gadgets as they become available in the future. This will ensure that the customers are able to continuously improve and broaden the scope of their smart home ecosystem. HomeKit provides a secure environment for managing and controlling smart home devices. Thanks to its sophisticated encryption and authentication process, this makes it a popular choice among consumers. This strengthened security helps preserve the privacy of users, prevents access by unauthorized parties, and reduces the likelihood of potential cybersecurity threats. HomeKit gives users the ability to develop personalized automations that are suited to their unique requirements. Users can automate their smart home devices to operate together seamlessly by configuring schedules, triggers, and conditions, significantly improving both the user experience and overall productivity. Apple HomeKit is able to integrate without a hitch with other Apple products and services, allowing users to take full advantage of the benefits offered by Apple's ecosystem. The integration with Siri offers voice control, and the synchronization with iCloud ensures that customers can access and operate their smart home devices across a number of Apple devices simultaneously. The initial step in establishing an Apple HomeKit smart home involves ensuring that you possess the necessary devices. Nowadays, most smart home accessories are compatible with HomeKit, although it's advisable to check the packaging or the manufacturer's website for HomeKit compatibility. Noteworthy brands that support HomeKit include Phillips Hue, August, Ecobee, Logitech, and several others. Once you have acquired your devices, it's time to set up your HomeKit ecosystem. The primary device required for this purpose, either an Apple HomePod or an Apple TV, which functions as the central hub for your smart home. This hub facilitates remote control of your devices and enables automation and voice control through Siri. To configure your HomePod or Apple TV as a hub, initiate the Home app on your iPhone and adhere to the on-screen instructions. This process is straightforward, involving code scanning and signing in with your Apple ID. Following your hub's successful setup, you can add your smart devices to the Home app. The procedure for adding devices to the Home app is simple. Just tap the plus button and select Add Accessory, and follow the provided prompts. Most devices are accompanied by a code or a QR code that can be conveniently scanned to add them to the app automatically. Once integrated, you can assign the devices to specific rooms, establish scenes, and configure automation rules. One of the most remarkable aspects of owning a HomeKit smart home is the ability to control every aspect through Siri. Whether it's illuminating or dimming lights, adjusting the thermostat, locking doors, or even instructing Siri to set up a particular scene or automation, the convenience it offers is unparalleled and adds a touch of enchantment to your daily routines. Automation is where the HomeKit experience truly shines. With HomeKit, you can establish automation rules based on a variety of triggers and conditions. For instance, you can program your lights to activate automatically upon your arrival at home or have your blinds close at sunset. The possibilities are boundless, allowing you to tailor your smart home according to your lifestyle and preferences. When compared to other home automation platforms, the prices of HomeKit gadgets are typically higher than those of competing systems. The fact that the HomeKit-enabled gadgets typically have higher price points is a direct result of the company's emphasis on quality and security and compatibility. When constructing a HomeKit-based smart home, users need to keep their financial constraints in mind. It is possible that not all HomeKit gadgets will be accessible in each and every nation or area. There is no set schedule for the release of the HomeKit-enabled products, and certain products may never be commercially available or supported in certain regions of the world. Before designing their smart home setup, users should first confirm that the devices they need are available. HomeKit can be difficult for some customers, particularly if they want to connect a large number of gadgets to their network. The initial step of configuration could compromise assigning rooms, setting automation, connecting and adding equipment, and so on. Users should be prepared to commit time and effort to setting up their HomeKit ecosystem, particularly if they have a large collection of gadgets. This is especially true for users who have a large number of devices. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more home automation videos, subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribe. I'll personally reply to your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.